The 2026 Dassault Rafale continues its legacy as one of the world's most advanced multi-role fighter jets, blending unmatched agility, power, and cutting-edge technology. Developed by the French aerospace company Dassault Aviation, the Rafale has seen continuous upgrades over the years, and the 2026 variant represents a bold leap forward in modern air combat capabilities. With enhanced avionics, stealth improvements, and an expanded weapons suite, the latest Rafale is set to dominate the skies well into the next decade. At the heart of the 2026 Rafale is its twin-engine design powered by two Snecma M88-4E engines. These engines have been upgraded for greater thrust and fuel efficiency, allowing the aircraft to achieve faster acceleration and longer range without compromising on agility. The increased power output gives the jet excellent short takeoff and landing capabilities, critical for operations on aircraft carriers and forward air bases. The thrust-to-weight ratio has improved, contributing to superior dogfighting performance and sustained supersonic cruise without afterburner, also known as supercruise. One of the standout features of the 2026 Rafale is its fully integrated electronic warfare suite. Known as Spectra, this advanced system offers real-time threat detection and jamming capabilities, keeping the aircraft safe in highly contested environments. The system has been upgraded with AI-driven threat analysis, allowing pilots to react faster to incoming missiles, radar locks, and electronic threats. In addition, the airframe has undergone minor redesigns to reduce its radar cross-section, improving its stealth characteristics and survivability against modern air defense systems. The cockpit of the 2026 Rafale has been completely modernized with the latest in digital technology. A panoramic touchscreen display replaces older MFD systems, offering pilots an intuitive and customizable user interface. Voice command integration and helmet-mounted displays allow pilots to keep their hands on the controls and eyes on the target. The new avionics suite enhances the pilot's situational awareness, especially in beyond visual range combat, and supports cooperative engagement strategies with allied forces. When it comes to armament, the Rafale 2026 doesn't disappoint. It can carry an expanded range of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, including the latest Meteor long-range missiles and Scalp cruise missiles. The integration of laser-guided smart bombs and future hypersonic weapons means the Rafale can engage multiple targets simultaneously with pinpoint accuracy. The jet also supports the new AASM modular air-to-ground weapons, which allow for extended standoff range and precise targeting even in poor weather or jamming environments. A key highlight of the 2026 variant is its enhanced data fusion and network-centric warfare capabilities. The Rafale can operate as part of a swarm of manned and unmanned systems, sharing targeting data, threat assessments, and mission commands in real time. This makes it a critical node in modern air combat scenarios, especially when facing advanced adversaries with integrated defense systems. Through its Link 16 and satellite communication systems, the Rafale can coordinate with NATO allies and friendly forces, offering unmatched operational flexibility. Another major advancement in the 2026 Rafale is its ability to work alongside drones and loyal wingman platforms. Through the use of AI co-pilot software, the aircraft can control unmanned drones for reconnaissance, decoys, or coordinated attacks, extending the reach and effectiveness of a single mission. This kind of manned-unmanned teaming represents the future of aerial warfare, and the Rafale is one of the few fighter jets currently capable of such operations. In terms of logistics and maintenance, Dassault has incorporated predictive maintenance technology into the 2026 model. Using real-time telemetry and AI diagnostics, ground crews can identify wear and tear before it leads to mechanical failures. This reduces downtime, enhances safety, and brings down operational costs, a major plus for air forces operating large fleets of Rafale jets. The global interest in the Rafale continues to grow, especially in Asia and the Middle East, where countries are seeking reliable, combat-proven fighter jets that can perform in extreme environments. The aircraft's track record in live combat, from Afghanistan to Libya to Syria, has proven its versatility and durability. With the 2026 upgrades, the Rafale stands out not just as a fighter jet, but as a comprehensive air dominance solution ready for modern multi-domain warfare. In conclusion, the 2026 Dassault Rafale is not just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It combines speed, stealth, firepower, and intelligence into one potent package. As air forces around the world prepare for a new era of aerial threats and technological advancements, the Rafale remains at the forefront, ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow with the precision and power expected from one of the finest fighter jets ever built.